Okay, boys and girls, Mrs. Ostrike will be working on lesson 1.8 in your Go Math book, page 49. Comparison problems with addition and subtraction. Our essential question is, how can you use this strategy, draw a diagram, to solve comparison problems with addition and subtraction? Basically, what this is saying is how can you draw a diagram to solve a word problem. The first problem, please look on page 49, unlock the problem. Hot air balloon festivals draw large crowds of people. The attendance on the first day of one festival was 17,350. On the second day, the attendance was 18,925. How many more people attended the hot air balloon festival on the second day? Let's start with how many more people? Please circle that. What do I need to find? That's exactly what you need to find. How many more people attended the festival on the second day? Please write that in your Go Math book. You may stop this video right now until you finish writing it. Okay. What information do I need to use? Well, I need to know how many people attended on the second day and how many people attended on the first day. So, on the second day, 1,925 people attended, and on the first day, 17,350 people attended. So I need to know those two numbers. So I need to know 17,350 people attended on first day. Please write that information in your Go Math book. And I also need to know 18,925 people attended on the second day. And once again, there's an area in your Go Math book where you will write this information. Please pause the video here until you write this information in your Go Math book. How will I use the information? Which strategy can I use? I can draw a bar model, which you will see on the next page. Please write that information in your Go Math book. Okay, please turn. Oh, you're still on the bottom of page 49. Here is the problem. Again, I can draw a bar model to write an equation to represent the problem. Well, I know 18,925 people attended on the second day, and I know 17,350 attended on the first day. And how many more? What is the difference between these two numbers? In your Go Math book, you will have this on the bottom of the page. Let's subtract these numbers. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 5 we can't do. So let's cross out the 9, make that an 8, and make this a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So I can say that 1,575 more people attended on the second day than the third day, than the first day. So in here, I will write 1,575. So, once again, 1,575 more people attended the festival on the second day. Now, here's a bar model to represent that. So that is definitely one way you can use to help you solve a word problem. Okay, let's turn to the next page. Okay, let's read the problem. During an event, a hot air balloon traveled a distance 5,110 feet during the first trip and 850 feet more during the second trip. How far did it travel during the second trip? Well, let's see. What do I need to find? I need to find this. How far did it travel on the second trip? What information do I need? I need to know how much it traveled on the first trip, which was 5,110 feet. But I also need to know how much it traveled on the second trip, 850. How will I use this information? Okay, I will add the numbers. I know that on the first trip, it traveled 5,110 feet and 850 more during the second trip. So I will add 850. And the number is 5,960. Please make sure that you add all this information on page 50. Okay. Page 51, share and show. Please do this on your own. Page 51, numbers 1 through 4. I will be coming around to check your answers.